Hey, welcome back. Now, this is the 12 days of Christmas, and I want to invite you, if you're a Zimmwriter customer, to join us. It's a free gift for all our past customers, our current customers, and future customers. And it's 12 days of prompts, and these are our most favorite and most used prompts that we have built into AIMasher's sandbox that we have. So I wanted to show you how to use this gift bonus, and we give you the actual prompt. So even if you don't use AIMasher, I'm still going to give you the prompt in this course. And I want to show you how to adapt the prompt to put it into Zimmwriter's magic commands. This is a really cool trick to do, and I think you'll be excited about it. So let me show you, and thanks again for your all your business with Zimmwriter, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. So we are going to go with, in AIMasher, we have different tools, but what I'm going to do is I have a prompt that I really like, and it's the persona creator. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that up, and it's day 9. You'll get this persona creator, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to use it. So we have it set up to use inside of our AI sandbox with variables. And I'm going to strip out the variables and show you how to take this persona creator and make it into a magic prompt inside of Zimmwriter. So I'm just going to copy that. Now I've already done this, but what I'm going to do is I would copy it and paste it, and I'm going to show you how to make this new prompt here. So before I do that, I'll just bring this page up, make it easier. Okay, we're going to go into advanced triggers, and I've created one called Persona Maker, and I'll go ahead and create another one here. I'm going to highlight that and paste it in, and I'm going to take off all this stuff here. Anything that deals with a variable. So the tone and writing style, I'm going to delete that. Okay. And I'm going to delete this keyword here and delete that whole sentence there. Topic, create detailed persona for marketers. Now it's going to assume that you highlight whatever you have in your notepad or wherever, or on Word or wherever you have it. So this looks really good. That's all I need to do is just take out the variables. And now I'm going to save it right here. Right click and persona. I'll put in here too, since I've already made one. Assign to trigger. You can put it on any trigger. I already have one made identical to this, and it's on Control 6. So I'm not going to assign it to a trigger, but I am going to choose 4O and hit save. Okay. Now this is the same exact one. Use this topic to create a detailed customer persona. Same as this, but it's already set up and it's already assigned to trigger 6. Okay. Now here's the magic. I am going to take this. I'll go ahead and close this window out, and I'm going to go into a program called, it's a free markdown to HTML converter. And I'm going to type this in here, and let's say I'll type in here beekeeping, beekeeper, hobby beekeeper. Okay, so I want to find out more about this. I want to do some ads to it. I've got some products that we have on affiliate, so I'm going to highlight it, and I've got my magic trigger on Zimmwriter, and it's Control 6. So Zimmwriter is going to rewrite this topic here, and it put it in markdown language, which is fine. But here's the outcome right here. So income level, college educated, lifestyle, detail, behavioral traits, and online activity search terms. So this gives you a real good starting point to defining your market. And I use it with another tool. And I'm going to copy this. And if I want a cold email, I just come over here to chat, and I'll just start a whole new prompt here. Like David Ogilvy, and write me a cold email. Now, I'm going to use what I created with Zimmwriter and that prompt, So I'm just going to paste that in there and hit enter. Oh, I misspelled Ogilvy. Oops. I think it probably is smart enough. This sounds really good. So you would have to put in your company name and you would insert this in a cold email. So imagine if you went out to a list broker and he said, I can give you 50,000 emails with names of people that are hobby beekeepers. And you've got a cold email ready to go out to them. You didn't have to think of the market or anything else. You even have a Buzz 15 as a starting point. This is an easy way to create a cold email and have an ad ready to go with a list broker, starting with the persona. This is a very detailed persona. We made it with Zimmwriter using the prompt from the 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this, and it's just a quick little way I can say thank you for all the comments and support that you've given us throughout the year. So thanks again, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. I'm your host, Damon Nelson.